It's getting very long. What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'm going to be showing you a card trick that you can use to show off your card skills. Let's do it. Now check this out. Before we get into the trick, we got a brand new card mat. I got blue, even though I ordered black, but that's okay. And then I also got this wooden desk that's not real wood. It's just my regular desk that I just put paper on top of. But it looks pretty believable, right? Kinda. Alright, so getting into this trick, right? We have a card selected at random. Let's just say it's the Queen of Clubs. We're going to take the Queen, we're going to leave it somewhere in the center. Let's just say right around there, right? So we have the Queen of Clubs right there. And you know what? We'll have the spectator push that Queen of Clubs into the center. So I'll leave it out like this right here. And then we'll have a spectator just push it right into the center. Now what's actually cool about this is this happens pretty fast, right? If I just count to 3, 1, 2, 3, we'll see one card shoots out. And that one card is the Queen of Clubs. And that's it. Happens pretty quickly and shows off your card skills to the spectator. Now, as always, the tutorial will be available 24 hours after the release of this video. But if you want to keep checking out videos in the meantime, make sure to click on that video right there. It should be in the ballpark around this area. And I'll see you there. Peace out.